everyone. As I already said, this YouTube channel is mainly for the page wise revision of CBSE topic, NCRT topic. So, we are going to see now a homologous series from the carbon and its compound, chemistry, term 2. So, what is a homologous series? A homologous series is a series of organic compound having a similar structure and similar chemical property in which their successive member differ in their molecular formula by CH2. How it is differing, I'll explain you now. So you have to remember the key term from this. They have the similar structure and they have the similar chemical property, and successive member one by one, that is a successive member, they differ by CH2. So these are the key terms, because these homologous series definition is often asked. It will be asked in 3 mark as well as in 5 mark. So what is a homologous series of alkanes? As we said, they have the similar, see, alkane family, all the elements belonging to alkane family, they have the same chemical, they have similar structure and they have the similar chemical property. The structure, what they meaning is, here the formula is the same. Alkane have the formula CnH2n plus 2. So if you take these two, so now you just see now, methane is CH4, ethane is C2H6. This can be written like this also. Now you say, what is the difference between these two carbon? 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, 1 carbon. And difference between these two carbon, these two hydrogen, 6 minus 4, 2. So the successive compound differ by the molecular formula CH2. So 2 minus 1 carbon is 1 carbon, 6 minus 4 hydrogen is 2 hydrogen. So they differ in the molecular formula CH2. Is an important thing. And we have seen the same thing. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 6, 2. So CH2. So you can see, for like this, you can see for all the members of the homologous series of the alkane, and I have shown here alkene and alkyne also. We know the formula of this is H2 Cn H2n, and this formula is Cn H2n minus 2. I have already mentioned in my previous video. You can go through it. So what is ethene? So now you just see the difference. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. This one is saturated, this one is unsaturated. This is with double bond, this is with triple bond. So 3 minus 2, 1 carbon, and 6 minus 4, 2 carbon, CH2. So the successive members of the family differ by CH2. Okay, this is an alkene. Next one, main thing, characteristics of the homologous series. Characteristics of the homologous series is often asked question in 5 mark question. It will be asked in A, B options. Okay, what is the characteristics? In the definition itself, we have seen all the members of the series can be represented by the same general formula. As I already said, alkyne have the same formula CnH2n plus 2, and alkenes have the same formula CnH2n. Alkynes have the formula CnH2n minus 2. So first one, what you have to know is, all the members of the series can be represented by the same general formula. For example, all the members of the alkane series can be represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 2. You have to write with the example so that you can get full mark. Okay, try to give all the point with an example. And any two consecutive members differ in their molecular formula. So we know that molecular formula is CH2. Methane, ethane, how it differ? 2 minus 1, 1. that is next 6 minus 4, it is 1. So it differ in CH2 group. And how this 14 came, the difference in their molecular mass, so they differ by CH2 and they differ by the molecular mass is 14U. How you can identify this? See, now for carbon the mass is 12 and for hydrogen the mass is 1. So there are 4 hydrogen. 1 into 4 is 1 into 4 is 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. And the next one, if you take methane and ethane, here 12 into 2 is 24 and 1 into 6 is hydrogen 1 and there are 6 hydrogen. So 1 into 6 is 6. 24 plus 6 is 30U. If you minus the 30 minus 16, you will get 14U. So they differ in the molecular mass 14U. We can even directly go that we know that they differ in CH2. They differ in CH2 means the molecular mass of carbon is 12 plus hydrogen is 1 into 2, so it is 14. Directly also you can write. I just explained it so that you will be clear, so the topic will be cleared for you. Next important point what you have to remember in the characteristics is all the members of the homologous series have similar chemical property. They have similar chemical property, but the members of the homologous series, their physical property will differ. See, this is an important question. This is often asked, why they differ. We know that when the molecular mass is increasing, the boiling point will be increasing. So with depending upon the molecular mass, they will increase and they will decrease depending upon the, so it will be differing from the lower member series to the higher member series. The next one, the last method, the last point, all the members of the series can be prepared by similar method. Okay, the preparation and nomenclature, all these topics are deleted for 2021 to 22 academic year. So if you see in the homologous series, page number 66, this is a homologous definition and the points are given here. And this is an alkane, how it differ by CH2 unit, how the homologous series of alkene I have written here, and they differ by the they differ in what, they differ in the molecular formula. And that is the formula generally they have written, they differ in the molecular formula CH2. And the last one, the physical property, the melting and boiling point increases with the increasing molecular mass. So with this our topic is over. So these are all deleted portion. So I have completed term 2 one chapter, carbon and its compound, and the next one I'll be doing for the 12th standard. So kindly watch the channel and kindly subscribe the channel and say to your friends. Thank you children.